How to create a survey. Go to Management, Survey Management. So to create a new section within your survey or a new set of questions, simply click on the plus and name your survey. So in this case, let's go for tequila. Your survey can be bilingual, so it's really your call. If you're in Quebec, you can do them in French. If you decide to do a national survey, you can do it bilingual. Then select the dates to and from. So in this case, I'll pick the month of July. You can select your type of survey. So if it's reoccurring, it means that once the rep has actually answered the questions will reappear. If it's one time, once the rep actually answered the questions, they will disappear. You can select again more than one province, but keep in mind that the territory list will always be linked to the territory of the province you're in. So you will not be able to select the different or be specific to the rep level if you select more than one province. Called or not called. Again, you can select the territories, the channels. In this case, I will do a licensee survey. And then you can decide if it's chains or independent, and you can even be precise as selecting, for example, the case. But in this case, I will leave it as is. You can select the class of your account, the segment as well. Keep in mind, class and segments are based on your head office list. Then if I click on Save, I then created my new tequila survey. And then to add the questions, I just have to click on the little left-hand triangle and click on plus to add the questions. So in this case, do they like the new packaging? And then I can select many different options. So definitely to definitely would not, always to never, familiar to unfamiliar. In this case, it's a yes or no question. I click on Save. Then if I actually want to adapt and really customize my question, which packaging do they prefer? Then I can go to Custom and then click on Save. And then to basically add the answers that the rep will have access to, click on the little triangle on the left-hand side, click on the plus, and then in this case, we're going to say packaging A, click on Save, packaging B, click on Save, packaging C. It can be whatever, anything that you want. You can actually enter different sentences or text if needed as well. Once your questions are created, you can go to any account. So now I'm going to go to the license account to show you what that looks like. And you will actually see the new tab completely on the right here, so under survey. And here you can see the first list of questions I actually created here on top and the ones that we just created here during the training. So if I actually answer these different sets of questions, and I can go from one tab to another. They are automatically saved. So if I actually refresh, I'll show you the reoccurring versus non-reoccurring or the one-time questions. So here you can see only the reoccurring one appeared and my tequilas, which were one-time, disappeared. To analyze the results of these answers, you actually have an export survey data to Excel here. So I'm also going to refresh this just to make sure that my questions I just answered have been compiled. So I click on this, I'll have my Excel spreadsheet. I'll open that one up. And the answers that I just completed are here on my screen. So you can see the yes, no, unlikely, unfamiliar questions that are here. So you can actually do a pivot table based on this and analyze data. Keep in mind that this is also a new feature that is accessible and functional in the app. So you will also have access to the results of those if they're answered on the app or on the online tool. Thank you very much.